Well, good morning everyone. This is my first tutorial on how to use Blender 3 to create a simple mechanical wheel. First, let's start and delete the simple cube. Then, using the Shift A, let's add a circle. Using the rotation tool, by clicking R and choosing the axis Y 90-degree, we can rotate the circle. Then click on the tab button. Scroll up the mouse wheel to zoom in. Oh, I forgot the thing. Select the cube, sorry. Create the circle one more time. We see here in this label called add circle the number of vertices that the circle contains. This circle contains 32 vertices. In here you can see all the information about this circle. This circle contains 32 vertices and a radius of 1 Blender unit. Here are using Blender units. You can change this to metric meters. Now for the wheel, I don't want to use a 32. Let's just make a 80 vertices. Then so just a little bit the view. Yes, like this. Let's start. I use the S button to scale down the circle. Then I'm gonna choose the vertices, select a vertex and ignore another. Then click on E to extrude and click on escape. Then here there's a doubled vertices here. When you click on S, you scale up like you see. And to get wait a minute, then we can select the inner circle by selecting each vertices of the circle. You can simply deselect a vertex or a edge or a face by clicking on it again another time. Now let's click on E, then S to scale down. We have planar object. Now let's find a solution to scale down these edges. If we scale down like this, if we click on S and drag the mouse to scale down, that won't work because they will always act as a circle, forming a circle, as an object, as edges forming a circle. This is why we should change the pivot point on from median point, which is this one, to individual organs. That means that the scale center will be on will be in the center of each element we are selecting. Let's try again. See the difference. Now let's try to make it square a little bit. This is simple. This is a very simple tutorial. Then by clicking on A, we can select all the wheel. Then by clicking on E to extrude, by default they will draw an axis that is normal on the plane surface. You just drag the mouse and you got your wheel. And now this is finished. We get our wheel. It's a nice wheel, isn't it? Now, selecting all, we can play with the normals. You see here there is a dark and somehow lighten faces. This is because there's a problem with shading. There are reversed faces for games and simulation that won't work. Okay, let's not do this now. Okay, shading, transform a little bit. Okay, let's swing to the edit mode. Shading UVs and recalculate normals. Yeah, we got our wheel now. Yeah, it's we can play around with our wheel, make it smooth. Let's get back to the edit mode. Let's play around a bit with that. Now let's create a loop cut. Loop cut is a smart subdivision created by Blender, in which you can add a subdivision to make your model smoother and nicer. You can change the number of the loop cuts either by clicking on a number part, a number on the number card, or scrolling up and down using your mouse wheel. For me, I will choose 2 loop cuts. Then I will click. If I want to click on related edges, selecting the all, I can just hold down Alt and click on the edge. This will allow me to drag let's see what you get here. Yeah, better. Then also play around with this. It's not this smooth. There's a problem here. smell it. Okay, it's good. Now let's play around with edges. I see that there are a lot of bad edges here. Let's play around them and really perfect now, but not of two enough. Now, for mechanical engineers, this is not the perfect shape to get a nice movement, nice knife friction. So let's add another edge loop here for each one here. Let's be patient. Cool. Nice. Okay. We have another one here. Sorry if it's starting to get a little bit boring. Good. I mean, for now, it's good. It's good. Okay. Nice. That's a nice round shape. Okay. This is all for this lesson. We learned how to create a basic mechanical wheel in Blender and using some of the Blender's tool. I wish you understood our English and you had fun learned. Bye.